We will discuss something about incarnation, why God incarnates in this world, and exclusively we will discuss about Krishna's appearance, Krishna's birth, pastimes, and some lessons for our practical life. So, the first question is, why does God incarnate in this material world? So, the question is there a recession going on in the spiritual world? There is no job for God, so He wants to come to this material world and do some leela or pastime? No. So, God comes from top to bottom to take us from bottom to top. So, that is one of the important purpose of God's incarnation. Now, God is unfathomable. We cannot understand Him, and that is one of the characteristics of God. So, the very unique and interesting thing about Krishna's birth is, so we say God is unborn, but today Krishna is born, and God is born in jail, but if we know Him, He removes us from this jail of this material world. And He is born at the midnight when the entire atmosphere is complete dark. But when we know Him, He removes us from this darkness of this material world, or technically in Sanskrit we call it as Maya. Quite interesting, right? He is born, but He helps us. He is unborn, but today He is born. He is born in darkness, but He removes us from darkness. He is born in jail, but removes us from the jail of this material world. So, that is the interesting point about God. Now, why God has to take birth? Why God has to come to this material world? So, Krishna explains in Bhagavad Gita Himself, that is in 4th chapter 8th verse. He says, Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. So, there are 3 important reasons why God incarnates and comes to this world. And what are these 3 reasons? Number 1, Paritranaya sadhunam, to protect devotees, to protect sadhus, to protect His devotees who are always ready to serve Him and who is ready to serve the entire world. So, that is the first reason. And what is the second reason? Vinashaya cha dushkritam, to destroy the demons, to destroy the demoniac consciousness which is there inside us, and to destroy the miscreants. So, this is the second reason, Vinashaya cha dushkritam. Third, the most important reason, Dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. So, meaning to establish dharma, because the entire world is running in the path of adharma. So, if God does not come, if God does not send His representatives and does not give this beautiful and very important knowledge, then nobody understands what is dharma. So, dharma samsthapanarthaya, so to establish dharma, God incarnates. So, these 3 reasons we can learn from 4th chapter 8th verse from Gita. Now, with this small background, we will discuss about Krishna's appearance or Krishna's birth and beautiful, heart-touching pastime today. So, the story begins, so let us all go to Mathura. Are you ready to join me in this journey to Mathura? Yes. So, now we will go to Mathura. So, here who is Mathuradhish or the Lord of Mathura? The demoniac Kamsa. And Kamsa had his loving sister